Want to supercharge your affiliate marketing game? Stick around because I've got some great strategies to share that will boost your earnings and visibility like never before. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Affiliate marketing is more relevant than ever. With the digital landscape constantly evolving, there are more opportunities to connect with audiences and earn commissions. Brands are increasingly relying on affiliate marketers to drive sales, and with the right strategies, you can tap into this growing market and make a significant income. Plus, it's a flexible way to monetize your content and build a sustainable online business. Let's dive right into some useful affiliate marketing strategies that are going to boost your visibility and earnings. First tip, use products comparison. These are like the bread and butter of affiliate marketing. People love good side-by-side comparisons before they make a purchase. It's like helping them choose between Coke or Pepsi. Important stuff. Choose products that people are actually interested in, but at the same time, try to aim for products with less competition so you're filling the gap in the content market. Provide a thorough and honest breakdown. Pros, cons, features, pricing, all of it. Your readers will appreciate the transparency. If you've used the products, share your personal experience. It adds credibility and a personal touch. People trust real-life experiences. Use clear visuals like charts, comparison tables, and images that make it easier for folks to see the difference at a glance. Don't forget to include a clear call to action. Encourage readers to click on your affiliate links for more details or to make a purchase. Next, offer bonuses for buying through your affiliate link. Give them something extra, a free ebook, exclusive content, a personalized thank you note. Who can resist a good freebie? The bonus should be related to the product. If you're promoting a fitness product, offer a free workout plan or recipe book. Make sure your audience knows about the bonus upfront. Mention it in your content and on social media as well. Don't forget to make it fairly easy for people to claim their bonus. No one wants to jump through hoops for a freebie. Next, don't sleep on forums and Q&A sites. Places like Reddit and Quora are gold mines. Drop some knowledge bombs and sneak in your affiliate links. Just don't be spammy. Engage genuinely with the community, answer questions, and provide value without immediately dropping your link. Look for threads that are related to your niche. Your advice will be more appreciated and your links will be more relevant. Be a consistent and helpful presence. Over time, people will trust your recommendations. Now, Parasite SEO. That may sound a bit gross, but it's actually awesome. Get your content on high authority sites that are already ranking well on Google. Instant visibility boost. Write guest posts for popular blogs in your niche. Make sure your content is top-notch and includes your affiliate links. Reach out to high authority sites and offer to write detailed product reviews. And partner with established websites for joint content. It's a win-win for visibility and credibility. Use the products you recommend. Seriously, people can tell when you're faking it. Plus, real-life experiences make your reviews way more convincing. And it's a great excuse to try cool stuff. Share your honest opinion, talk about what you love and what you don't. Create videos or take photos of you using the product because that makes your content more relatable. And provide tips and tricks for getting the most out of the product. Your audience will appreciate the added value. Next, republish your content on high-traffic websites. More eyes on your content equals more clicks on your links. Submit your best posts to platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or industry-specific sites. Make sure your content is fresh and updated before republishing. And ensure you link back to your original post. This helps with SEO and drives traffic to your site. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. Their followers trust them, and that trust can turn into your profit. Plus, you get to make cool internet friends. Look for influencers whose audience matches your target market. Provide something valuable to the influencer, whether it's a free product, a commission, or exclusive content. And use tracking links to see how well your campaigns are doing. Based on your numbers, adjust your campaign as needed. aim for recent launches. Be the first to review new products. Everyone's curious about the latest and greatest, and your review could be the first thing they see. Keep an eye on upcoming product launches in your niche. Sites like muncheye.com will help you keep up with the latest launches. Be quick but thorough with your reviews, as early birds get the traffic. Optimize your content for new release, keywords, and capture the initial surge of interest. Last but not least, run ads during peak shopping seasons. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday sales, you name it. It's the perfect time to get your affiliate links out there. Create your ad campaigns well in advance and use targeting tools to reach your ideal audience. Facebook and Google ads can be super effective. Make sure to allocate your budget for the highest traffic period. These peak times help you maximize your ROI. If you're looking for a powerful affiliate program, with Rapyd Cloud's affiliate program, you can earn up to $500 in one-time commissions per sale and enjoy a continuous 10% recurring commission for each successful referral. It's a chance to earn generous commissions by promoting one of the best hosting solutions on the market. Rapyd Cloud offers a high-performance hosting service specifically designed for WordPress sites, making it the perfect choice for marketers who want to ensure their websites are fast, reliable, and scalable. Check the links in the description to learn more about Rapyd and its affiliate programs. So there you have it, 9 effective affiliate marketing strategies to use this year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.